Well, it's our first full day together, Joseph.
First full day together?
Working.
Yeah.
Again.
Again.
So we are on our way to a house that is being listed. It is a lake house. It's on the higher end of the budget, but it is gorgeous. We have a whole crew with us today. We're doing complete interior, exterior, kind of clean up, revamp.
Fresh mulch.
Clean.
Clean the inside.
So.
A little touch up on the deck.
So yeah, come along with us and check it out. Is it? Oh my God. See, that's all we need.
That's why I said, okay, can't do that short.
That's a temporary bridge.
Well, I'll go on, I don't care. We gotta, Oh, it's not even deep water at all.
No.
No, it's not like the roller coaster. Yep. Like right here. Like this one. Probably this one can go down, and this one, and that'll suck this corner down.
No, it's on now.
And then all these in here.
I'm gonna put some of the actual pumps on. Big one?
She's firing.
Poulin Property Maintenance was hired to do a cleanup of this beautiful privately located home in New Hampshire. We started with the interior, doing everything from a deep clean in the kitchen and bathrooms to the windows and beautiful hardwood floors. And then we also outside did a double cut of the lawn, an extensive trim around the exterior up to the waterfront, and then bringing these flower beds at the back of the property and all in the front of the property back to life, along with some repairs to the deck and other clean out items. We really appreciate jobs like these and enjoy seeing the before and afters.